freshly made last night. Bold of me to order hair from Temu. 15 to 20 minutes and it's done. Alright, let's go. You guys, I'm so proud of myself. Look at the juice I made yesterday. Freshly made last night, okay? And we're just going to be taking it. I usually just batch juice, if that's a word. We do have the one that we drink for the house, which is in like a jug. I'll show you guys. But these ones are like, you know, the ones that we take out when we are out there. Anyways, I'm just going to pop them back in the fridge, obviously, before they start going bad. Let me know if you want me to share what I use. But basically, we've been trying to utilize the lemon, so I use a lot of lemons for this, and I add a lot of watermelon because obviously lemons are really sour, okay? So it needs something extremely sweet to balance out the bitterness or sourness, okay? But apart from the watermelon, I also add some carrots and I add some ginger and what else? Sometimes I add apples as well, depending on the fruit that I have, at hand. Maybe I'll show you guys when I'm making the next one. I really wanted to film this one, but I don't know, I was so busy. I was cooking dinner as well, so it was kind of hard to multitask, film, cook dinner, make juice and all of that with the kids running around. So I'll show you guys when next I juice up, okay guys? But that's basically what I use. So I forgot to add, these ones also have celery. They have celery leaves and it's just so nutrient dense, okay? And I love it. I love it for us. It also tastes so yummy, okay? It's actually sweet because of the watermelon, I guess, and yeah, it's really, and the carrots, because carrots are also like very, very sweet. Yeah, so that is going in the fridge now. Alright guys, time to make lunch/dinner. I'm trying to make cottage pie. This is looking really, really good now. So I just need to add a bit of tomato paste, a bit of flour, a bit of water, mix it up, and then we're gonna add our mashed potatoes on top and coffee with tea. It smells so good. This whole kitchen smells incredible. It has a lot of flavor.
You should play, na 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 na. Make our body join body tonight. And I want to if it's possible, oh yeah. I wanna put my eyes on your waist now. Me I fit to give you all my bed back. I'm addicted to you, and I don't know what to do. I wanna put my eyes on your waist now. Me I fit to give you all my bed back. I'm addicted to you, and I don't know what to do. Show me that you want me, and tell me that you need me, and tell me that you love me, and I go there, okay. So tell me that you want me, and tell me that you need me, and tell me that you love me.
I'm just gonna grab a fork and just make any design you like. So I'm topping it with some mozzarella cheese. So this is the mozzarella cheese I'm using. I buy this at Spot Shed. So anyway, this is ready to go in the oven. 15 to 20 minutes and it's done. That's it. Alright, I think it's ready. That looks so gorgeous.
A few days later.
Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach. Like the angels do, and you gon' make it through. Tell about the healer. She's the one with the calling as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. Never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley.
Can I have one?
I need to make it into garlic bread.
So you don't need to put this on it? Do you need to put
Train her
this?
to run. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You with the army. Ready when the truth acts up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch you with the guard. Everything, I am dead. Higher thing can't be touched by fire. Dash forward to the ground. I'm working on them soul things now.
Several days later.
But it's harder on the cold. Never been a product of a flaw.
Alright, let's see.
You want to see?
Thank you.
The ice cream.
Oh, that yellow is actually the best one yet.
That one looks better.
Few days later.
Hey guys, so it's been 2,000 years later. Before we go, I wanted to do a quick unboxing or a haul, rather. What do you think it is?
Mine. So
Baking mold. It does say baking mold.
that means it's yours.
I love how they package
It's
it.
yours, mommy. Mommy, it's
I'm
yours.
just sick of it getting broken. Oh, this is so. I love the size. This is it's perfect. Look at that.
Whoa.
Anyway, so they are identical. This is a good purchase for real. So that was a success.
Success!
Success. So what else do we have?
I want scissors.
Now let me know. Go for that.
Okay, hello, we need to go in. Hello, time to go swimming.
Wow!
Now we're going swimming, guys.
Now you're going swimming?
Yeah.
Let's see. It looks so cute. I like it. So the last thing is this hair. Bold of me to order hair from Temu because all these things are from Temu actually. Oh, before that we have this. This is sticker for freezer. You can just write the food, the date. It comes in handy. This is like 200 of these different colors. It's nice. And bold of me to order hair from Temu.
I want to have this.
It doesn't look as bad though. You're just being silly. I've never bought anything hair in Temu or on Temu. Let me actually.
I don't like that.
So this was literally I think $12 or something ridiculous like that. But yeah, that's what it looks like. What do you guys think? Anyways, let's wrap it up. I think it suits me. What are you people talking? It looks good. It does look good. Oh, okay. That surprised me. That actually looks alright. Okay. Anyway, it's meant to be my everyday running around. This was literally, I think, $12 or $16 if I remember. I'll basically put it on the screen. But this looks good. What are you talking? What are you talking about? First time purchasing hair on Temu. I already have a lot of wigs, you guys. I already have a lot of wigs. But I just needed something I can throw on and not worry. Okay, look at that. This is good. I like it. Even though it's bright, it's too shiny. But
Mom, I want you to put it back right there.
you want to what?
I want to put that right back right there.
You're gonna say bye, guys?
Yeah! Bye, guys. Have a good...
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you watched up to this end, thank you so much. You are the real deal, okay? Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, okay? Subscribe and leave comments. Share if you like.
Hey! Bye!
And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.
He said he came from Jamaica, he owned a couple acres, a couple fake visas, cause he never got his papers. Gave up born love fucking with them heartbreakers. But he was getting money with the movers and the shakers. He was mixed with a couple things, bought like a couple rings, bricks in a condo and grams to